This is my superpower. With this, I put an end to fires and save lives. This is Thro. Thro is an impact-activated fire extinguisher that douses fire quickly and easily. Unattended fires like these can quickly turn into disasters. But now, you don't have to worry about this. Just pick up, aim, and throw. Thro is a non-toxic and eco-friendly solution to fight fires. This proprietary solution blocks oxygen to fire, dousing it within seconds. Thro is rather light in weight, allowing everyone to use it easily and effectively against fires without any training. In addition to the weight, the sleek design allows easy storage as well. Thro activates on impact and can be used in multiple ways: against cluster fires, against line fires, and to create pathways. Thro has a shelf life of 2 years and is effective against accidental kitchen fires, small domestic fires, inflammable liquid fires, and electrical fires. In India, each year, over 90,000 people are victims of fire accidents, where small fires quickly turn into raging infernos. But now, you are equipped to prevent disasters. Simply pick, aim, and throw. Be fire ready.